Welcome back. This is Monty, once again from DPL Surveillance Equipment. Just to quickly summarize who we are and what we do. What separates DPL Surveillance Equipment from 99 or 100% of the other companies in the industry is we have lifetime guarantees and warranties on all of the products. We have 24/7, 365 tech support and availability. And we have the most extensive line or collection of rentable surveillance and security, high-end rentable surveillance and security equipment that you're going to find on the market. This gives you the opportunity to do rent to own. If you want to rent to own, try out these products before you buy them. If you just want to rent it and return it because you have a temporary problem and you have a temporary application. You just want to go ahead and buy them outright. So again, feel free to rent or buy. It doesn't really make a big difference. Having said all of that, we're going to get right to the point and take a look at what we're previewing today. Today we're introducing our atomic clock radio. Now this is a very contemporary style atomic clock radio. As you can see, it is very thin. Okay, that's a side view. And it has a little stand on the back, okay, so you can set it down on your desktop or countertop, whatever, not take up a whole lot of room, okay. And again, as the name implies, the title implies, it's an atomic clock radio, which gets the most accurate time settings from the official atomic clock, okay, which is the most accurate timekeeping mechanism on the planet. Okay, dangling off on the side here in my hand is a charger. It's a battery charger, and we use the battery charger to charge the surveillance DVR, the built-in motion activated miniaturized digital video recorder that's inside of the unit. And in addition to that, we have an RCA cable and jack. Okay, so once you charge the battery, you get 20 hours of continuous video recording capability. And having said that, we do have motion activated and scheduling features, so you can rest assured that the 20 hours will probably be stretched out to who knows how long, because the stopping and starting when there's motion or no motion for that matter. And as I mentioned, the RCA cable and the miniature jack here allows you to plug this unit into your TV and record or for that matter view on the TV what you've recorded from the atomic clock radio, from the surveillance camera. Okay, so again, access the menus on the TV with this RCA jack and use your remote control for the TV to view the menus and do your time and date setting. Put the correct time and date on the clock radio, so you can tell when certain events occurred or whatever. Or even delete files, set up the frame rates per second. If you want to change your frame rates per second anywhere from 1 to 30, do that on the TV. And in addition to, you can delete files, as I mentioned. You can do a number of different things, preview your video, play it back, whatever. In addition to being able to play it back on the computer, this is a SD card reader. Your SD card goes in that end. We typically ship out a 1 or 2 gigabyte card, but this is formatted to take up to a 32 gigabyte card, so you can literally get weeks of recording capability on your 32 gigabyte SD card, depending upon your adjustments and your motion at the particular area or location where you're going to be setting up the unit. We have a regular remote control here that controls the atomic clock radio, normal features. And then we have diagrams and illustrations in terms of how to access the hidden SD compartment, and the little jack that allows you to get access to the video jack, so you can connect it to the TV. You have your regular instructions to help you with the atomic clock radio and the various normal features of the atomic clock radio. Okay, so again, to summarize, today we're taking a look at the atomic clock radio, very contemporary and very stylish. Use it in the bathroom, use it in the kitchen, use it in your office, whatever. Doesn't take up. It has a very small footprint, as you can see. It has a little stand on the back. Prop it up. You can even hang it from the wall, for that matter. It has the little holes there, so you can put your mounts and hang it directly on the wall itself. And by the way, when you unplug this little charger here, after you charge the internal surveillance related battery, you unplug this connector here from on the side, and that automatically turns on the camera. So again, as long as it's charging, the camera is going to be off. And then when you unplug this charger here, that's when you get your portability. That's where you get your portability from. Unplug the charger, put the timer clock radio in place, and get your motion activated or scheduling capability that way. Okay, this way you don't have to worry about locating the AC power in order to use this particular unit. Use this unit where you don't have access to AC power. So again, this is Monty summarizing one of the most state-of-the-art portable battery operated motion activated solutions on the market in the guise of a atomic clock radio. We appreciate you guys joining us in this session, and we look forward to you joining us in the next session. Have a great day. Thanks. Take care. Bye.